So today we are attaching this smooth side to this cabinet because these are being shown. These will be the outside. I've done one already. Oh, oh. No, anyway. For the most part, I've used this stuff for a lot of years. Usually, like we were gluing styrofoam to aluminum, but works great for wood too. Get it really saturated. I'm going to saturate this too.
And this stuff like dangerous to breathe in.
Probably.
Oh, you're supposed to put the mask.
Yeah, well. Alright, so when we stick this on, you gotta be careful because it will automatically attach like
So how much was this piece?
$10.
$10. And we have leftover, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we have that one.
Yeah.
Leftover, and we made 2 cabinets instead of what? How much to buy it at the store ready?
Each side.
$30 each side. Yeah. So.
Alright, so glued down now. And if you want to see, it's strong. Wow. So we're going to take, and now we're going to router this out. Turned out good. Router. This is a finishing bit. Flush with the bearing. So all you got to do is run it along the edge. This way. All right. finished.